Almost every professional technician that I know, well, they've got a junk drawer in their toolbox. This drawer is filled with a lot of the parts that weren't used on a particular job. These could be from brake jobs, but in some cases, they're from head gasket jobs and top-end jobs when you're trying to reseal the engine. These can be gaskets that weren't really required, but if you're working on the Subaru EJ25, you need to make sure that all of these gaskets inside this kit are used. If you ask any gasket manufacturer the top-selling head gasket, well, they're going to say it's the Subaru EJ25. No one really knows why it is a problem with this engine. Some say it's the heads, some say it's the block. There could be a lot of reasons why these head gaskets fail. But every gasket manufacturer in the aftermarket, well, they've got solutions to help cure this problem so the engine can stay sealed for a very long time. Even if you can do this job with the engine still in the vehicle, you need to pay attention to all the gaskets, particularly those on the head and also the ones on the crankshaft, because this is a timing belt engine. If any of the oil leaks onto the timing belt, well, it could be very disastrous because the EJ25, it's an interference motor. Also, with this block, it's a boxer, so you have to pay attention to the head bolts. These are torqued to yield. Make sure you take the time to make sure the heads are properly torqued down. But when you're doing the job, also pay attention to the belts. The timing belt and also the serpentine belt, and in some cases, the stretch drive belt that powers the AC compressor needs to be replaced. And ask yourself, can that engine survive another 80, 100,000 miles with the original water pump? You might want to replace that while you're in there. So there you have it. Make sure you're servicing all of the gaskets necessary when you're servicing a Subaru EJ25 motor. This way, you're going to seal the engine for a very long time, not just from compression leaks, but also against oil and water jacket leaks. Make sure you're using everything in the bag, and this way, you're not going to have any comebacks. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.